This content is made possible by our sponsor. It is not written by and does not necessarily reflect the views of Engadget's editorial staff. Graphic designers get to work on a range of creative projects, from common Photoshop art and website development to more advanced UX, UI design and even architecture. Whether you have a specific area you'd like to focus on, or are striving to be a jack of all design trades, understanding how to use the industry-leading programs is a must. You don't need a design degree to learn how to operate these platforms like the professionals do. Get a full graphic design education from home with the 2022 Premium Learn to Design Certification Bundle, available now for $30. This course pack includes lessons on AutoCAD, Adobe products, and Figma, as well as content on general design concepts and best practices. Looking to launch a career in architecture, construction, or engineering? The course on becoming an AutoCAD designer, which includes lessons for newbies and experts alike, is a must. Learn how to navigate the program interface so you can comfortably build CAD models. Meanwhile, anyone seeking to boost their skills in web development and coding should pay special attention to the highly rated course on HTML5 and CSS3, which equips students with skills to build polished professional websites. Master the art of Adobe. From Illustrator and Photoshop to Lightroom, Premiere Pro and XD, you'll get schooled in some of the most popular programs graphic designers use every day. Through hands-on projects designing logos, user interfaces, and more, you'll be ready to use these practical tools with ease. No matter the assignment. You'll even get a holistic education in user experience design through easy-to-follow lessons and helpful assignments, including intel on popular prototyping tool Figma. Discover the best ways to use Canva for creating quick social media graphics, book covers, and beyond. By the time you're done with this course bundle, you'll have built an impressive graphic design portfolio with specific guidance on how to make yours stand out. Tap your creative side and dive right into becoming a graphic designer with this comprehensive 10-course pack. Get the 2022 Premium Learn to Design Certification Bundle for $30 or $3 per course. Prices subject to change.